Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set a different render floor texture in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. To do this, I'm just going to go to the View tab, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the drop down underneath Render, and I'm going to go to my Render Settings. Now you can see here the second last tab is my Floor tab. I'm going to choose that. And you can see I already have this sky texture in here for my floor, but I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to hit Edit on this texture button. I'm just going to hide my empty folders. And you can see there's a ton of default floor materials that I can use to render my floor with. I'm just going to choose this bright brass texture and click OK. And now when I go to render, you can see it puts that bright brass texture underneath all of my drawing. That's all for today's video. If you have an idea of what you'd like to see next from these videos, leave it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see all the helpful videos we got on the way. As always, if you have any questions, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.